What's up, world? Today we're eating dried fish, also known as Daing. It's definitely not something we eat in the West, so let's dig in. We're gonna make some fried rice.
Yeah,
Fried rice with dried fish. And some eggs. I just cut the package just a little, and instantly you get a strong fish smell. Like you just are like near an aquarium or like you're by the water. Like very strong fish smell. All right, so let's open with these up. All right, so it literally is just a dried fish. It's kind of like split. See if I can get it to focus there. Yeah, it's like just literally a fish that's like kind of cut in half, and then it's like sun dried. There feels like there's a little bit of salt and seasoning on it, so we'll go to the next stage. All right, fish time. You're cooking 3?
you eat one, huh?
Yeah, I'll eat one.
Try this.
Did you leave a little bit of oil in there to cook?
Yeah.
Flipping them over. Got a rice. I got my Mountain Dewski ready to go, baby. Alright, so I'm going to dig in. Very crisp. You kind of just pull a little piece off. And in the Philippines, a lot of Asia, you'll kind of see they'll dip stuff in vinegar. So I'm going to dip just a little bit of vinegar there. And let's taste. Very, very, very salty. The best way to describe it is if like a super, super salty potato chip and a fish had a baby. Would you say that's fair?
Mm-hmm.
So it's very, very grainy and salty. You kind of get like a last minute fish taste at the end. I would definitely recommend, if you eat it, if you eat the fish, to definitely use like some vinegar or some kind of like sauce with it. If you don't use the sauce with it, I think you kind of lose a little bit of that flavor because it's a little bit too salty if you don't, wouldn't you say? Yeah. All right, well, that was good. Definitely recommend you trying it. Definitely, you really have to like fish to eat that. It can be salty. You can kind of wash the fish to make it a little less salty. Yeah, I hope everyone's being safe out there. If anyone else has any other recommendations, put them in the comments below. And be safe out there. Peace.